So hello you guys. We just hung out in the coffee shop a half a day after 2 days really wet nights in the tent. And I'm just gonna stay in the city and sleep somewhere today because whoa, lucky us. The irony. We ran away from Denmark, the bad weather, and we ran into like the most rainy days of Tenerife in 20 years. So we're gonna stay in the city because our tent is 5 kilometers away, fully wet. We got a blanket, we got a sleeping bags. We dried at the coffee shop and we're gonna try to find a place to sleep at night in the city, maybe where near a church or something. If there's a bit shelter here, we're gonna look. And that's it for today, guys. I think see you guys later. Life is hard sometimes, even as a hobo in Tenerife. Might be better most days with the weather, but some days you're still looking for a spot, some days you're still a bit cold and wet. Wow, the weather here is crazy. This is the beach we slept at earlier, where we lost our tent place here to somebody. So you can't use that. Well, he's actually still not there. Może jeszcze tu nie ma. Maybe he stopped using it. He wasn't there last time. Może on nie zostawił to miejsce, go tu nie ma. Co? Idziemy tam spać, czy co? Nie? Oh, you cannot sleep there now because we don't have the tent, so it's wet. But maybe we can get the tent spot back. There's still a toilet problem here, but yeah, it's far to the other place and it's all wet. I don't know if that would be much right. Tam też by było za mokro teraz, myślę. I think that place would be too wet right now also. You know, we're just gonna try to hide here somewhere, I think. Nie ma kamery, co? Kurwa. I think we're gonna sleep here and just move in the morning before they open about 10 o'clock. So 9 o'clock we should be out of here. I think it will be okay. We just need to survive today. It's a bit wet. Maybe under the table, I don't know. Yeah. Doesn't think it's gonna get better for now. We're gonna get too wet searching for a place. Just gonna sleep here for tonight. It's a dry corner with one wall there, one wall here and here. And just be out of here, clean after ourselves before the cafeteria opens tomorrow. But it is a place we once had some baked beans and toast, I think, a few months back, isn't it? Maybe, I think, yeah. But for now, I'm sorry guys, we're gonna have to show you around a bit to sleep. We need some shelter. Oh, red flag, czerwona flaga, nie można iść do wody. Red flag means no going into the water. Chica, right, safe there. With a new bed, an old bed. We're gonna borrow it a bit. Also has pillows. One of them, I think it's dry now, hers, and she got the grey one today from this nice man at the charity. Położyć. No tak, ona ma ten nowy tam. Jeszcze na środek, tak. It's gonna be good. Luxurious, thank you Jesus. Okay, good night everybody. I don't want to make too much light here and you're gonna see anything without the light. Good night, that's it for today. See you guys later. That is live. We'll see you on that. Woohoo! Like and subscribe. There's no walking in the water these days. Look, it comes up all the way to there. Normally it doesn't come up there. Good morning, everybody. Oh guys, look, normally the whole beach is pretty like that. Look how far the water has been. You get all packed and ready to go. Off we go. Going now to the nearest shopping center to use the toilet. Freshen ourselves a bit up, wait for the supermarket to open, buy a tiny bit of food we really eat yesterday, just some Coke and chips, like not the big potatoes but just like crisp chips. So, and then we're gonna probably wait for the coffee shop to open at 12 and we go there while the weather is like this. I'm really thankful for the membership over there. Guys, this is actually the spot we slept at before. We totally cleaned up. If you watch some videos back, 5 big bags of garbage. We cleaned this area perfect out. Somebody stole this spot from us, lived there for a week or 2, and look at the mess he made. It was perfectly clean here. We took all the garbage, only had a bit nature garbage here. This is why some people don't like the homeless. Don't leave a mess like that after you. It's more messy than you took the space. Now he left, and we have bought stuff to like clean the earth, and he took that of course with him and left some other garbage. Yeah, we're gonna clean this place again, but we're gonna come back here. I really don't understand what this is all about. But guys, it's good we bought a restaurant and not this one, because this was the second spot we considered to sleep at here. And look, the water and the sand has been way up here. We have probably been wet if we had done that. So thank you, Jesus, for guiding us to a different place to sleep tonight. Normally the sand is way up here and like this over here too, but it's totally messed up. Big rains. Not often it happens in Tenerife, but it does. So guys, good morning, good morning. I have taken a little trucker in the shopping center right here. They have the toilet. And now it's Dima's time to freshen a bit up. And we're sitting here. And we're gonna eat a breakfast here. That's the plan for now, and chill a bit. And Chica just chilling here. Doot. So guys, this is the situation. We're all wet already. Tenerife. God is watering the flowers. Oh, we got jackets, so it's better than yesterday. But that's just not. This is not a rainy jacket. It's a sport jacket. So yes. So hello everybody. Dima went out to pick up a tent, and I'm here by the center eating some breakfast with my new friends here, my new local hobo friends. Whoa, from Tenerife. Viva la vida, viva la Tenerife, guys. And later we're gonna put our tent up where we lived earlier, because the other one left. So I'm waiting for Dimo to come back. Just gonna chill here an hour or something, and then we're gonna put up our tent and go to the coffee shop, because the weather is still shicey here. So stay tuned. See you guys later. Bye.